So today I'm reviewing this multifunctional charging kit, and it has multiple interfaces, card removal pin, and a convenient amount of storage. Let's see. It has a SIM card ejector tool, a USB-C to USB-C 100W cable, a USB-C female to micro USB adapter, a USB-A male to USB-C female adapter, a USB-C male to USB 3.0 female adapter, and a USB-C female to Lightning male adapter. So this is the product itself. And let's open her up. So it is very convenient, easy to store, like if you're gonna go travel, anything of like that sort, or you just need it convenient, you can keep it in your car. So here it is when you open it. It's really easy. It closes like magnetically, so that's nice. Let me open it. So here it is. Here's everything that it includes, like I said in the beginning. And this is very nice because if you need to charge something and like you don't have the adapter for it, it has everything here. And here's the card chip ejector, whatever it was. So yeah, this is basically it. Let me take out this. Oh, and here it is, like the cord, and it wraps around, which is very nice and convenient. So you can see here, it can wrap around and you can put it back up so like the cords aren't going everywhere, which is really nice. So yeah, I do completely recommend this.